6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Spot and Dog.
America has launched. So rises a new.
What's the impact of success for this program on SpaceX as a whole, including development of Starship?
Well, I think this is obviously a tremendous accomplishment for SpaceX in partnership with NASA and a number of critical suppliers. In fact, if I think about the total number of people involved in making this mission successful, it probably adds up to 100,000. So I'd just like to express a word of appreciation and congratulations again to everyone involved in making this successful. Just a special word to the administrator, and Kathy, and it's just everyone involved. It's just wow. Anyway, it is a little hard to process. I think at this point I am somewhat overcome by emotion to try to come up with cohesive, sentences that make any sense. It's quite difficult. But I think this is hopefully the first step on a journey towards a civilization on Mars, life becoming multiplanetary, based on the moon and expanding beyond Earth, and life becoming a multi-planet species, life becoming multiplanetary for the first time in the 4.5 billion year history of Earth. I think this is hopefully the first step on that journey. It will require a tremendous amount of innovation and technology development to make going to orbit and ultimately beyond orbit a routine matter where thousands and perhaps ultimately millions of people can travel to other planets. That's what we really need to achieve over time. That's obviously a very difficult goal, but that's seeming increasingly real with what happened today. That getting people to orbit finally after 18 years. If we are able to increase the rate of innovation, then life can become multiplanetary. This is the goal we should strive for. In what has culminated in this incredible launch today of getting astronauts back to orbit after almost a decade, I think this is something that should really get people, right on the heart of anyone who has any spirit of exploration. And the United States is a distillation of the human spirit of exploration. I think this is something that's particularly important in the United States, but appeals to everyone throughout the world who has within them the spirit of exploration. So it's hard to believe that it's happened. We haven't quite yet docked at the space station, and of course we need to bring them back safely, and we need to repeat these missions and have this be a regular occurrence. So there's a lot of work to do, but it's just incredible. I think this is something that everyone, this is a craft made by humans, for humans. It's just something that I think humanity should be excited about and proud of occurring on this day.